So today I'm at the Brooklands Museum. It's Easter weekend and it's the Classics Gathering. This is the place where the secrets of the Transport Museum is recorded. And there's loads of different cars. Anyone with a car that is older than 1992 can just bring their car along here and show it. And there's loads of different types of cars here. So this is what this video is going to be all about. I'm Steve and welcome to my channel.
Yeah. Everybody's decided to go out and dance if they're not going away. So you guys are going to be very, very busy today.
First car to be designed in a wind tunnel.
Right.
So at 80 miles an hour, it's supposed to go whisper quiet. You get that sweet.
Yeah.
Cam in head engine. So it's a combination of cam, overhead cam, well, cam and valve. So CIH, cam in head, which I don't know what the advantage or disadvantages are, but it's whisper quiet. It's like a sewing machine. But power-wise, probably up with anything else, the overhead cam. So you had a couple of firsts on that with this. This was the biggest thing. Then all the rest of the cars, modern cars, now follow suit with
Yes.
seam or gutter on.
Yeah.
And obviously
For the
wind
year.
tunnels.
Yeah, for the age, it was different. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So this is all one.
All one.
This is all one now.
Without the seam.
Okay.
The other first that they put because it's German, they put a 6'5" guy in the car and then developed the car around him to get a big German in
Right.
there,
Okay.
and just worked it all around there. So the very first one that came out in the motor show in 65, it was a little lower and sleeker because they didn't do that, but then they realised they had to. It was designed by the same designer who designed the Corvette. So if you come to the front,
It's very similar.
you've got Corvette.
It is
here.
very similar. Yes.
So he then went on to do the C3 Corvette and design that. Glides where
Oh, yeah. That's a nice.
It's a nice click as well. Everything's that German click, that lovely little bit of design. Lights on this, they're manual, so there's a big lever in the dashboard, and when we push the lever, these are going to spin on an axis, come out, and then they don't pop up, they literally roll round.
Right. Let's see.
So
Let's see it in action. Wow, that's quick.
Yeah. It doesn't go back as easy though. It's not so bad, so I've greased them up. First car was a Herald, and it's funny what you tend to buy into as your first car. You follow up. But it's nice though, isn't it?
It's a pillarless side on it. There's no B pillar. So there's a winder. There's a winder in here. Look. See that winder, and this goes up like that. That's what I always liked about the car in the summer. Go on.
Good, isn't it? back of the just see where the phone goes.
Who'd have thought?
Thank you to the AA who are here today. They will be helping, no doubt, a few people who have a problem.
All right.
When you do so, and for any youngsters whose faces totally glare